Welcome to Anna and Jake Real Life English.
This channel is for beginners and intermediate learners who want to speak real, everyday English.
We focus on simple, practical situations.
We speak slowly and clearly using calm British English.
This helps you understand, practice, and feel confident.
Today, we're talking about asking for directions in English,
This is something everyone needs at some point,
especially when you travel.
or when you are new in a city.
Asking for directions can feel stressful,
You might worry about understanding the answer,
or about speaking to a stranger.
but don't worry.
Most people are happy to help.
And you only need a few simple phrases.
Let's start.
The first step is getting someone's attention politely.
The most common phrase is very short.
Excuse me.
That's it. Just excuse me.
You can also say, excuse me, sorry.
Both sound natural and polite.
Now you can ask your question.
Here is a very common question. How do I get to the train station?
You can change the place.
How do I get to the city centre?
How do I get to the museum?
How do I get to this hotel?
Another very useful question is this.
Is there a cafe near here?
Near here means close to where you are.
People use this phrase all the time.
Let's listen to a short dialogue.
Anna is asking. Jake is helping.
Excuse me,
Yes.
how do I get to the train station?
Go straight ahead.
Okay,
Then turn left at the traffic lights.
turn left at the traffic lights.
Yes, it's about 5 minutes from here.
Great, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Now let's look at common direction words.
These are the words you will hear very often.
Go straight ahead.
Turn left.
Turn right.
It's on your left.
It's on your right.
Around the corner.
Across the street.
These short phrases are enough.
Sometimes people use landmarks,
A landmark is an easy place to see,
like a shop or a bank,
or a church.
or a bridge.
For example,
It's next to the bank.
or opposite the supermarket.
If you don't understand, that's okay.
You can ask again.
Here is a very useful phrase.
Sorry, could you repeat that?
And another one.
Could you say that again, please?
Most people will slow down.
And they might point with their hand.
Another helpful question is about distance.
You can ask,
Is it far from here?
or
Is it close?
people often answer like this,
It's quite close.
or,
It's a bit far.
or.
It's about 10 minutes.
Let's talk about directions inside buildings.
For example, in a station or a shopping centre,
You might be looking for a restroom,
or an exit.
or a ticket office.
You can ask, Excuse me, where are the toilets?
Toilets is common in British English.
Restroom is common in American English. Let's hear another short example.
Excuse me,
Yes?
where are the toilets?
Go straight ahead. They're on the right.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Notice something important.
These conversations are short.
Simple English works best.
You don't need perfect grammar.
Just be polite and clear.
Let's quickly review.
Start with excuse me.
Ask your question clearly.
Listen for key words like left, right, straight.
Ask people to repeat if needed.
You're doing great.
That's all for today.
Thanks for learning with us.
This was Anna and Jake, Real Life English.
See you next time.